Taxi operator who was shot and succumbed to his injuries in Hanover identified. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The victim in the fatal shooting incident in Green Island, Hanover on Friday afternoon has been identified. He is Adrian Algin, otherwise called Fuzzy. Algin is more than 30 years old and was a taxi operator of a Salt Spring community address. Reports are that sometime around 4:30 p.m., Algin was at a taxi stand in the square of Green Island when he was shot. A second individual was also injured in the incident and rushed to hospital for treatment. His condition at the time of the publication of this report remains unknown. When reporters visited the scene, family members and friends were distraught and reluctant to speak. However, they shared that the beloved taxi operator who transported mostly primary school students to and from school will be missed. Algin, who leaves behind 2 children, has been described as a very vibesy individual who takes his job seriously. The killing of Algin comes a day after the parish was placed under a state of public emergency. Between January and October 28, the parish recorded a 56.4% increase in murders when compared to the previous year. Some 61 people were killed this year in comparison to 39 the previous year. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.